Very good afternoon to all students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 7, which is dated on 9th July 2020. Today topic is similar triangles from exercise 8.2. So let us discuss few assignment questions as which are constructions. Let us see the first construction. So construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm. Then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of corresponding sides of the first triangle. Okay, before going to that, first we have to draw that rough diagram. That rough diagram will be like this. Okay, now so based on the scale factor only we can decide whether the triangle to be constructed will be enlarged or compressed compared to the given triangle, right? If you take the scale factor, here scale factor is given as 2 by 3. Here scale factor is given as 2 by 3. 2 by 3 as the scale factor. What about this one? This value will become less than 1. Less than 1. Wherever scale factor is less than 1, the triangle to be constructed, it will be always compressed triangle as compared to the given triangle, base triangle, right? Now this construction will be relevant to the what? Scale factor which is less than 1. So let us go for the construction. Before going to that, first we have to construct a triangle which is basic triangle by using these three measurements. Let's take draw a line segment whose length is 6 centimeters. Whose length is 6 centimeters. Yes. A, B, whose length is 6 centimeters. Right? Again, take a point A as a center with radius how much? 4 centimeters as a radius. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Yes. So take point A as a center. Yes. Draw an arc with radius how much? 4 centimeters. Again, from point to B with radius how much it is? 5 centimeters. Draw one more arc by measuring this. Yes. So take this point B as a center. Draw an arc. Yes. The point of intersection of this one, let me take it as point C. Point C. Now you have to join point A as well as C. Point A as well as C. Let's join these 2 points like this. So draw a ray which is nothing but what? AX ray. AX ray. Now again join the point C as well as B. C as well as B. Yes, C as well as B. Okay. So this is how much it is. It is a 5 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter length. Okay. So we have constructed a basic triangle. Let's go for how we need to construct a similar triangle. Now before going to that, first we have to draw one ray AX such that which makes an angle, acute angle with respect to line segment AB. So let's draw one line ray AX dash. AX dash. Let us take as what? AX dash. Now we have to draw totally 3 parts on this ray AX dash. Why? Because it is 3 parts means totally which is the greater one, that is 3 is the greater one. So that we have to divide into 3 parts. So with the help of compass, let's take point A as the center with any length as a radius. Let me take this is a first. Okay, this is first point. So draw an arc. So it is nothing but what? A1. Let me take it as what? A1. Again, without changing in the radius, take point A1 as the center with the same radius. Draw one more arc. Let me take it as it is what? A2. With the same point as the center, draw one more arc. Let me take this point as A3. A3. Okay. Now join the point A3 and B. A3 as well as B. That is A3 as well as B. Yes. Now we have to draw a line which is parallel to B and A3, which is from A2 only. Why? Because 2. So there is from here to here is 2 parts and out of 3 parts. So we have to draw a line from A2 which is in parallel with B and A3. So how we are going to draw a parallel line? So in the same way, take point A3 as a center with any length, but better to take this as a, let us consider this as a length. So that draw an arc. Yes. So without changing in this radius, take A2 as a center, draw one arc. Yes, draw one arc. Yes, this is the construction useful how we are going to draw a parallel line. Next, now you have to see the difference from here to here. How much is difference? Yes. So with the same difference as the radius, take this point as a center, draw an arc. Yes. Now join the line which is passes through this point as well as A2. As well as A2. Let's take join these 2 points A2 as well as this point. It is exactly parallel to the given line B and A3. B and A3. The point of intersection of this line will intersect on line segment AB at one point. Let me take it is B dash. Let me take it is B dash. Now you have to draw a line from B dash which is in parallel with what? BC. Which is in parallel with BC. The same construction you have to do. In order to draw a parallel line, yes, let's take this one. So better to take this much as a radius, draw one line by taking B as a center. Yes. Again with the same radius, take B dash as the radius, center, draw an arc. Yes. Now you have to see how much difference from here to here. Let's take this much is the difference. Okay. Again with the same radius difference, take this point as the center. Now draw arc. Now that these two are intersected one point. Now you have to join the line from B dash and which is passes through this point. Which is passes through this point. Let's draw this point. Let's draw this one. And this line is exactly parallel to what? The line B as well as C. And this line will intersect on AC at one point. Let me take that point is C dash. Let me take that point is C dash. What about this point? It is B dash. Okay. Now this line which is in parallel with. Now this line C dash and B dash which is parallel with CB. Which is parallel with CB as well as B dash as well as A2 which is in parallel with what? B as well as A3. B as well as A3. So that what about this one? These two are respect to corresponding angles are equal. Again these two are corresponding angles are equal. Okay. So likewise we can construct a similar triangle similar to the given triangle, that is basic triangle. So after that, so let us write the steps of construction. The first point you have to write as, so draw the rough figure and label it based on the given measurement. Okay, based on the given measurement. And so draw a line segment as AB whose length is 6 centimeters. Again, take point A as center with radius how much? 4 centimeter. With radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc. Again from point B with a center as B with radius how much? 5 centimeter. Draw one more arc. The point of intersection of these two arcs can be taken as C. Okay. Now you have to join point A and C and B and C to form a basic triangle. After that, in the next point you have to write like this. So draw an array AX dash which makes an acute angle with respect to line segment AB. Then you have to divide into 3 parts. That is A1, A2, A3 such that you have to write like this. A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3. So that this length must be equal. So after that, join A3 to B and also draw the line from A2 which is in parallel with B and B3. Okay. Now the intersection of this line on line segment AB can be taken as B dash. Again, you have to draw a line parallel to BC from B dash. And this line will intersect on AC at one point. That should be taken as what? C dash. So if you take this one, these two are angle A, B dash, C dash is corresponding angle with respect to what? Angle A, B, C. These two are corresponding angles. And these two are corresponding angles are equal. So likewise we have constructed triangle, similar triangle ABC. What is the similar triangle for triangle ABC? That is A, B dash, C dash. Likewise we can construct. Let us see second question. To construct a triangle similar to triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 4.6 cm, BC is 5.1 cm, angle A is equal to 60 degrees with scale factor 4:5. Okay. So as per the data we have to draw a rough figure. So based on the given measurements will be like this. So what is the scale factor here? Is given 4 by 5 now. So what about this value will, this fraction value will become less than 1. Okay. So that if the scale factor is less than 1, so in this case also we are going to get a compressed figure, right? The scale factor is less than 1 means what? Whatever the triangle to be constructed, that must be compressed as compared to the given triangle. Okay. So let's go for the next main construction. Before that, first we have to construct a basic triangle. Okay. So let us take AB as a basic line segment, that is 4.6 centimeters as a length. Let's draw a line segment AB. Line segment AB. Yes. AB as a line segment. How much it is? 4.6 centimeter. 4.6 centimeter. At an angle A. What is the angle? It is 60 degrees with respect to AB. First we have to construct a 60 degrees angle, or else with protractor also we can do. So better I will construct 60 degrees with the help of compass. Let's take this one. Okay, before going to that, first of all take a point like this with any length. Take this point, draw an arc. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3. Okay, again take this point as a center, draw an arc. Now this is nothing but what? A construction of 60 degrees angle. Let's join these 2 points, so that you have to draw a ray, that is nothing but what? AX dash, AX ray. Let me take it as what? AX ray. It is AX ray, AX ray. Now from point B as a center. From point B as a center, how much radius? That is 5.1 centimeter as a radius. Take B as a center. Take B as a center with radius how much? 5.1 centimeter. 5.1 centimeter. Yes. Take B as a center. 5.1 centimeter. Yes. Now point of intersection of this one, let me take it as what? Point C. Now you have to join point C as well as B. Point C as well as B. Point C as well as B to form a line BC. So what about this one? It is 5.1 centimeter. 5.1 centimeter. What about this angle? It is 60 degrees. Hence we have constructed basic triangle ABC. So based on this basic triangle, we have to construct a similar triangle, which will be compressed triangle only, because the scale factor is less than 1. Before going to that, first we have to draw a ray AX dash, which makes an acute angle with respect to line segment AB. Line segment AB. Let me take it as what? AX dash. Let me take it as AX dash. So first of all, we have to divide this ray into totally how many parts? So I divided into totally 5 parts. So with the help of the compass, let's draw 5 parts. That is, so take any length as a radius. So better to take point A as a center with length, and take it as this is a A1. The same without changing in the radius. How to take A1 as a center? Draw one more arc, A2 and A3 and A4 and A5. Yes, A5. That is A2, A3, A4, A5. This point is A5. Now you have to join A5 to B. A5 to B. You have to join A5 to B. Yes, to form B as well as X dash. Now you have to draw a line from 4. That is A4. You have to draw a line from A4 which is in parallel with what? B as well as X dash. Let's see how we are going to draw the parallel line. So as per the same thing can be draw with the help of compass. Let's take any length. Better to take this much as a length. Better to take this much as a length as a radius. So draw an arc. Yes. So with the same radius, take A4 as a center. Draw one more arc. Yes. Now you have to take this difference. How much this difference? Let's take this is the difference. This is the difference. Yes. Again take this point as a center. Draw line. Yes. Now the line, how to draw the line which is passes through A4 as well as this point of intersection. Let's join these 2 points which is exactly parallel to the given line. That is X dash and B. Let's take this is in parallel with B as well as X dash. Now this line will intersect on AB at one point, that is B dash. that is B dash. The same way you have to draw a line from B dash which is in parallel with C as well as B. The same steps, okay? The same method you have to draw parallel line. Let's take this one. So take a little bit, I can take this one as a radius, draw one arc. Again, from point B dash, draw one more. Yes, now you have to take this difference. How much this difference is? This is much is the difference. Let's take this point as a center, draw an arc. Now draw the line which is passes through B dash as well as this point of intersection. Just you draw the line which is exactly parallel to the given line, that is B as well as C. So it is in parallel with what? B as well as C. Now this line will intersect on AC at one point. Let me take it as what? That is C dash. Hence we can construct a similar triangle based on the given measurement. Okay. So likewise, you have to write the steps of construction. The first point is draw the rough figure and label it based on the given measurements. Then after, draw a line segment AB whose length is 4.6 cm. Again construct a 60 degrees angle at the respect to AB at an angle A and draw one ray which is AX. And also, so with an angle, how much take point B as a center? So how much radius it is? 5.1 cm. Draw one more arc so that the point of intersection of this arc as well as this ray is how much? Let me take it as what? This is point C. So that is point C. So by joining AC as well as B, we have constructed triangle ABC, that is basic triangle. So after that, so drawn and ray, that is AX dash, which is acute angle with respect to AB. Again divide this ray into total how many parts? Totally 5 parts, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, such that you have to draw the arc with the same radius, like that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3, and A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5. So this all, everything is equal, same length. After that you have to join from point A5 to B. Then you have to draw a line which is parallel to A5 as well as B from point A4. So this will intersect on line segment AB at point B dash. Again from that you have to draw one more parallel line in parallel with C and B. Okay. So likewise this line will intersect on AC at one point, that is considered as C dash. So likewise we have constructed a similar triangle based on the given triangle which is based on the given measurement. Okay. So these are, if you take this one, these two are the corresponding angles and these two are the corresponding angles. These two lines are corresponding sides. These two are the corresponding sides are in the same proportionate. Okay. If you want to verify, so whether these two are similar triangles or not, how you are going to verify? So that if you take division of this one, so the ratio of these two sides, corresponding sides, is always equal to the ratio of these two, that is AB dash by AB. If those two are equal, so that the triangle ABC, which is similar to triangle AB dash C dash. So likewise we have constructed. Let us see third question. So write SAS criterion for similarity of a triangle. So this can be, I will explain based on the given two figures. So in a triangle ABC and triangle PQR, okay, if any one of the angle of one first triangle is equal to angle of the second triangle, so it is angle A is equal to angle P, okay, angle A is equal to angle P. So angle of first triangle is equal to angle of second triangle. Then their corresponding included sides are in the same proportion. Okay. So first of all, let us take this one. If angle A is equal to angle P, and their corresponding sides, included sides, right? Included sides in the same proportionate. That is AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to how much? AC by PR. Okay. So let me take like this. So in a triangle ABC as well as PQR, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle, and their corresponding included sides are in the same proportionate, then we can call it as what? Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR according to SAS criterion for the similarity. So these are the today assignment questions from similar triangles from exercise 3 8.2. Thank you.